Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Yes, I am making yet another film score generator, because again, the last one absolutely sucked. But this time, it will not suck as much, or at least I hope. This is because I am completely changing the way the AI learns the music. If you've seen any film score reductions, then you will notice that most instruments always play the chord progression, and only a few are playing melodies. The chords are the main part that conveys different moods, not the melodies. However, my last film score generator learned the notes based on melodies, and the actual chords were mostly unrelated. Also, the old interfaces were extremely difficult and hard to understand. So for this AI, I will make it text-based, so instead of clicking buttons on screen, you can click even more buttons physically. So here is how the AI will create memories. Before I explain, note that I will probably end up adding more once I start making the AI. Anyways, the memory starts off by defining the chord type and key. But you might ask, why include the key? If memories are specific to the key, then many of them will become incompatible. Well, that is why I have two different key memories, one for the general song, and one for the specific chords. The one for the general song only includes keys when the actual key signature changes. The chord key changes when the chords change. Also, all songs the AI learns will be in one key throughout the whole song in order to make the key signature memories and chord keys to be relative. This makes it so the chords can change keys relative to the actual key signature. The next memory, of course, is the chord duration. Then, there will be another memory for every single note within the chord progression. This includes all the instruments, melodies, and harmonies. They will be encoded in a MIDI fashion, that is, with delta times and note values. Each note will also have the instrument that plays the note. The scores that the AI will learn from will be reduced so that all notes from one instrument family are in one instrument. So for example, the chords played by the string family will be combined into one instrument. This makes it so there will be a minimal number of instruments that the AI has to learn. The next memory will be about the chord type of the preceding chord. Finally, it will remember a list of English words that define this memory and everything inside of it. However, I doubt that there will be enough words in the list to ensure that it always works. There are just too many different ways to describe a mood, and if each memory doesn't have every single one of them, it wouldn't work. So, the AI has one last form of memory, the thesaurus. This is split into two different parts, a list of every word and its ID, and a list of two IDs connected together. However, in order for words to be connected, the connection has to be very strict, since if it were vague, then almost every word would end up being connected and the AI would be able to choose any chord. But keep in mind, I will have to manually train this entire AI, because unlike the AI that beats games, there is nothing for it to beat and no physical goals to accomplish. The only feasible way to train the AI is through live streams or community posts, in order to harvest large amounts of data. And finally, the AI will have to generate music. It starts with a list of words. Then, it will find a memory with the most matches to the list. If there are no matches, then it will find related words and find a memory with that. If this again fails, then it will set a random chord. The next chord will have the same matching chord in the matching chord type item, and have the most matching words as well. If no words are matching, then it will pick another random chord with matching words. If this fails again, then it will restart the process, picking a new chord. If this fails, then the AI will repeat the chords from the beginning. After it has generated a chord progression, it will add the notes from the fourth item, and assign them to the most fitting instrument of the instrument family based on pitch ranges. So yeah, that is my plan for the third music AI generator. There are some flaws, such as instrumentation being extremely vague, but I will hopefully fix it on the way. So yeah, see you next time, and bye.